If you're getting an Epic Games network error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This problem can stop the launcher from signing in, loading the store, or connecting properly, but in most cases it's caused by a server issue, a network setting, cached files, or security software interfering with the connection. We're going to go through the safest and most effective fixes in order, so stay with me and follow along. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should always do is check the Epic Games server status. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all, and the Epic Games store or login services may simply be having a temporary outage. Open your browser and go to epicgames.com, then check whether the store and login services are showing as operational. If the servers are down, the best fix is usually to wait until Epic resolves the issue. There's no point troubleshooting your computer if the problem is happening on their side, so this step can save you a lot of time right away. If the servers are fine, the next step is to restart your router. This is one of the easiest fixes, but it often works because it refreshes your local internet connection and can assign a new IP path to your device. To do this, unplug your router from power and leave it off for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for the connection to fully come back online. Once your internet is restored, try opening the Epic Games launcher again and see if the network error is gone. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is flush your DNS. DNS issues can prevent the launcher from reaching Epic's servers correctly, even when your internet looks normal. On Windows, search for Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Wait for the confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. This clears out old network information and helps your computer request fresh server data the next time it connects. Another very common cause is a VPN. If you have a VPN turned on, disable it temporarily and try connecting again. VPNs can sometimes block or reroute launcher traffic in a way that causes network errors, especially with authentication or store access. Even if your VPN usually works fine for browsing, it may still interfere with Epic Games, so turn it off completely, then relaunch Epic Games and check whether the connection improves. Now let's clear the Epic Games launcher cache, because corrupted cache files are one of the most frequent reasons for launcher network problems. First, exit the launcher completely from the system tray, not just by closing the window. Make sure it is fully shut down. Then press Windows key and R on your keyboard, type %localapp data% and press Enter. In the folder that opens, find Epic Games Launcher, then open the saved folder. Inside that folder, look for the web cache folder and delete it. This removes temporary launcher data that may be damaged or outdated. After that, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and sign in again. If you're still seeing the network error, the next thing to check is your firewall or antivirus. Sometimes Windows Defender or a third-party security program can block Epic Games from making a proper connection. To test this, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus just long enough to see if the launcher starts working. If it does, then you know the security software is the cause. In that case, you should re-enable protection right away and create an exception or allow rule for Epic Games instead of leaving your system unprotected. This step is only for testing, so be careful and turn your protection back on once you're done. One more important fix is syncing your system clock. A wrong date or time on your computer can break secure connections and cause login or network errors with online services. Open Windows Settings, go to a time and language, and then make sure your time is set correctly. Use the Sync Now button so your device can automatically match the correct time with the internet. Once the clock is accurate, try launching Epic Games again. This may seem small, but it can absolutely be the reason the connection is failing. At this point, one of these steps should usually fix the Epic Games network error. The most common wins are checking the server status, clearing the launcher cache, and disabling VPN or firewall interference. If the launcher still won't connect after all of that, repeat the steps carefully and make sure each one was completed fully. Network problems are often caused by more than one issue at the same time, so going through the list in order is the best approach. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more gaming and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.